This is Charlie and Mama's baking class. Here we have our assistant Ava. Then we're gonna make cupcakes.
What are some of the ingredients we need to make cupcakes, Charlotte?
We need eggs, 2 eggs,
What about this? What's this?
salt,
Flour.
flour,
What this one?
sugar,
Sugar. And what's this?
milk.
Milk. Those are a few of the ingredients we need. There's a few other things we can tell them along the way.
But I will.
Okay, are you ready to get started?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, let's see what it says to do first. First, we had to turn on the oven and get it warm.
Yes.
And we put it at 350 degrees. Next, we have to combine all of the dry ingredients. So let's get our bowl. Okay, and let's see. We need to combine our flour, baking powder, and salt. Okay? So let's start with flour. We need 1.5 cups of flour.
1 and
Okay, you'll do this one,
Sure.
Assistant Ava. And then could y'all get up on your knees so they could see? That's perfect. There we go.
need that.
All right, Charlotte, if you'll get 1 cup of flour. Okay.
1 cup of flour.
And when we do our flour, hold on, let me help you get down there really good, okay? Hold on, let me see real quick. Let me turn it. Okay, so then let's shake it so that it'll even off, okay? So we can use the bag.
This
There
is
you go.
going to
Now we can
take
pour it
a
in there.
minute.
Perfect.
Mommy.
All right,
What
Ava, would you like to do yours?
Yes, please.
Okay, reach in there. Let me help you get all the way down. All right, turn it over. And we'll pour it on in there for us.
Can I do it?
This is the flour, yep. Let's see. There we go.
And there we have our flour.
There's the flour. Good job. And then the next thing we need to add is baking powder. So for our baking powder, we need, let's see, 1.5 tablespoons.
This time,
So
can
look
I
at
do it
this.
first?
I'm going to show you what this is right here.
I want to do it first.
Look, you do that, and then you can make it nice and even.
Can I do it first?
Well, Charlotte's going to go first.
Why? Can I do it first next time?
We'll see. You're the assistant, remember?
Yes.
There we go. All right.
This
Could
can
you
be.
hand this to your assistant and let her help?
Thank you.
Okay, did you watch how we did that? So use this right here. So scoop it up and then use that to level it off. Good job, like that. Perfect.
Okay.
Now put it in there. So
Let
this
me do it.
this was our baking powder.
And now we have our baking powder.
Thank you. And then next, let's read. Let's see, flour, baking powder, and now salt. Here we go. I'm gonna do the salt. Because I haven't had a turn to do anything yet. So we
Can I
need
do it
a
first?
1/4 teaspoon. So that's not very much. That's just a little bit.
Yes, it'll be done. That is a lot. Okay, Mama, that is
There
a
we
lot.
go. And we're gonna pour the salt in. There we go.
Now
Now
the
it
salt.
says to whisk all of these together. Perfect.
Mommy,
Let's get our whisk.
but can I whisk it first?
Okay, Charlotte's gonna whisk, and then she's gonna let you have a turn, remember?
I want to do it first.
Ava, do you need to go have a talk off screen?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Mommy.
Good job.
Why
All
can't
right.
I do it first?
Let's let our assistant Ava have a turn. Please whisk together.
Can you stop?
No.
Can you stop calling me assistant?
When we whisk, we need to make sure we get it from the bottom, but we don't want it to come out of our bowl. That means that our oven's ready. Do you remember what temperature we said we had it at?
No.
350 degrees. Okay, what is on our instructions next? Okay,
There
next,
we have.
let's set this aside.
Can I do it first?
All right.
Can I do it first?
We're gonna let Ava do this part first. Ava, let's see here.
See.
I need to stir
Mommy,
this
I don't
up.
like when you call me sister.
I'm sorry.
But we have. No, we don't.
Okay, here we go. Are we
But
ready?
what? That's gross.
Okay, pour that in there, Ava. This is the butter.
Okay, now.
Okay, so pour it in there, nice and gentle.
Ew. That's
There we
gross.
go. Now I'm
There
gonna.
we have the butter.
We're
Can
gonna.
I
Good
whisk
job,
it?
Charlotte.
Can I whisk it?
Not yet. Not time to whisk up.
Why? Are we gonna put it in there? Or are we gonna add milk?
Wait until Charlotte helps instruct us on what to do.
Mommy.
Okay.
And then we have the butter.
Now, after the butter, it says we need to add 1 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, an egg white, and some vanilla. So we need a cup of sugar.
Can I do it first?
Well, you just did the butter, so Charlotte's gonna do this one.
But Mommy, she got it first so many times.
All right, what did you just add,
There we have
Charlotte?
the sugar.
Good. So then it said to add, what is this that we're adding? Let's see. It says our egg white. So that's the egg white. So pour that in there. Can you see? There we go. Now I'm going to crack the eggs for you, and then Ava can put the eggs in there.
Can I put one in?
Okay, Ava, put this in.
Mm-hmm.
Get your fingers out of your mouth. We can't have fingers in our mouth while we're cooking. Thank you. There we go.
And
Can I
there
do
we
it
have
by
the
myself
egg.
now again? Can I do it by myself again?
Okay, this one is Charlotte's turn.
What? There we have 2 eggs. Now we can pass on to the other thing.
Great job, Charlotte. So now the last thing we need is the vanilla extract. Let's see, new bottle. And look, this, I'm gonna get to do this. And it says 1 tablespoon.
Mommy, I don't like this video.
There we go.
Now the vanilla extract is done. They're having a talk right now, so it's fun.
Are you ready to continue?
Yep.
Good. What did I just add? Do you remember?
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract. Okay, so let's see what it says to do next. It says whisk in. Let's use the whisk, and we're gonna whisk again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so hold the bowl. Make sure you're holding the bowl with one. Here we go.
Now we mix it all together.
Great job, Charlotte. All right, let me have a turn real quick. We're gonna stir it up nice and fast and make sure we get it all together. All right.
Now what are we gonna do?
So now we're gonna alternate. That means do one and then the other, one and then the other. Dry ingredients and milk. So we're gonna add the dry ingredient and then add some milk and then go back and forth with the flour mixture.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna add it into here. We can use this. Let's see. So, pour some of this in there. There we go. And let's stir that up. Good job. And now I'm gonna add a little milk. Keep stirring. All right, well, you keep stirring. Can I go ahead and add some more flour?
Yes.
This is our flour mixture, the dry ingredients we mixed together earlier.
Now we want to mix it all together.
It's getting harder to mix, huh?
Because we add a lot of stuff to it. What about if you have a turn and I have a turn doing that?
Okay. What's your favorite part about baking, Charlotte?
Having someone to bake with and mixing all the ingredients together and then eating it.
And then eating the sweet treats. That's super fun, huh? All right. I'll add a little bit of milk. And then you go ahead and add a little bit of the flour mixture. Okay, let's do 2 of those this time. There we go. Let's mix it up again. Do you know who sent me this recipe? Uncle Brett. Because Uncle Brett loves to bake. He found this one special for us. Here we go.
I think I want to do it by myself.
Okay.
You. It's getting really hard.
It is. It's smelling really yummy. All right, hold on to it tight. Don't let it come off the counter. Let's add. There we go. And add this to it.
A lot of dry ingredients.
All right.
Are we going to add more milk?
How about I stir this and then you can add the milk in just a minute, okay?
I'm going to pour.
Stir it right here. Okay, just add just a little bit, okay? That's good. There you go. Perfect.
We don't want any lumps. So we want to do the best we want to do.
All right, I think it's safe to add. Hold on. I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. All right, you ready? Pour those in there. Let's make sure we got it all.
Then are we going to pour this?
Let's mix it up a little bit, and then we'll add the rest of the milk.
Could I mix it?
You sure can.
Then you can mix it a little bit more while I put the milk in.
Yes, you're doing a great job. There we go. All right, go ahead and pour the rest of that milk in there. Perfect. I'll put it over here. We have a lot of dishes to wash.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
We mostly got the dishes.
Are you going to help me wash the dishes while our cupcakes bake?
Yep.
Okay.
I've done that before. And I've done this before, but I've done the different one.
All right. So we've mixed it all up. Now let's see. We're going to mix it in. We're going to divide the batter in our cupcake pan, and then we're going to bake it for 18 to 22 minutes. Okay?
So,
Let's
yeah.
see if we have some cupcake cleaners. We sure do.
Yep, but enough to put these
All
in.
right, why don't you
Right,
put a
I
few
don't
in?
do this. Yeah, I'm going to put these in. These are pretty.
Look at those are from Easter. That's so silly.
Yeah, but they're pretty.
They are pretty. There's some flower ones at the bottom too. Look at those.
I'm going to put those in. Are these from Easter?
I think they might be.
I want to do the flowers.
Hi, Ava. All right, here, one more flower. Here,
I want to do one more.
One more Easter egg. Okay, we'll do that for now. All right. So now
We're gonna put all these up.
we have to fill in our baking pan.
Okay.
Well, let's get some of that off. No, it has egg in it. We can't lick it. All right, so I'm gonna help you with this part because this is kind of heavy.
gross, Mama?
Well, if egg isn't cooked, egg can make you sick. That's why you always have to make sure you cook your eggs and wash your hands after you touch raw egg.
I don't like raw egg. What does raw mean?
Raw means not cooked.
Raw in?
All right, well, let me do a few, okay?
It's really hard to get that thing down.
Can I do a few, Mama?
Yeah, you can do a
It
few in just a
smells
minute.
so yummy. Maybe after you do this, it can be yummy too.
Are we sure you're in the right ingredients?
Yeah, we made all the right ingredients. We read our instructions very, very well. Our recipe. All right, folks. I think we're gonna fill up our cupcakes and put them in the oven, and then after we put them in the oven, we can do another update. How about that?
Yes.
All right, say bye, friends. We'll see you when they're done.
Bye.